Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are at Dane's Home Skate Park and we're going to film a three-way game of scoot over the step up. Paper, scissors. Oh my god.
First, second, third.
Like always.
Right, I'm going to do a 360 bar.
Because you're gay.
Alright, I'm going to set a 3-whip bar.
Oh my god, stop setting 360 tricks, man.
Sound like a little girl.
See you later, bar. Bar. I'm going to set a bar rewind bar, so oppe bar, normal bar, normal bar.
S. Someone S. What's my set? That's why you film me.
I'm not doing that either, so I'll take that on that as well.
I will do a. Ooh, it is close, isn't it? I'll do a quad whip. Something I thought next time.
Chill.
Yo.
I'm going to set a straight unfootless.
Good.
Film me.
I apologise for that unfootless. It was honking, but I'm taking it.
Film me.
My set.
Yeah.
Oh, saucy. I'll set a footless over the step up.
Why? Why would he do that? Oh, that's me on the left.
Reese wants to win bad, man. Glad he went on that.
You had it! You had it! You literally caught it out, you had to do it for your foot on.
I'm going to do a heel rewind bar.
That is gay. That's really gay. No. Set, bro. No, I'm winning.
I'm going to do a... don't know. What are you doing? I'm going to straight bri whip the stuff up.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Shot now. Massive! Yeah, it's massive.
That's the off whip. Can't do it
You
straight.
gotta be up there in the clouds. All we need.
What's that?
My set. I will set. Woo! I set a normal oppe normal.
Does love a good bar rewind.
Fresh t-shirt.
Whole squad have got him today. What a bench set.
Literally, I just.
Alright, we get it. You got a fish eye. I'll do a whip bar.
Of course he will. Of course he will. A little bit naughty, but you both will probably have it. Alright, I'm going to do a 180 whip bar up the step up.
Definitely not got that.
You've definitely got that.
I'm definitely not trying that, mate.
Oh, you fucker! You fucker!
Right, so it's my set, and I'm going to set a footless.
Why?
I'm gonna try and go. That kills my ankle.
Oh. It's like you both will know, don't it, mate?
in case you didn't like gather, I'm not doing that. I'm on SCO.
Just try bunny hop. Yeah, but I left it so late to try and bunny hop.
What are you on?
Nothing.
Reese is on nothing.
No.
You're set.
Come on, oh.
Yeah, oh to nothing. It's time.
Local.
It's time.
What are you saying?
I want another whip bar bar.
Yeah, I'll do it.
What did Reese say?
He's going to try it. Again, I'm not doing that. I'm now on 00. Woo! Alright, I'm going to... Am I in?
Yes.
I'm going to do 180 finger whip off the step up.
Bait.
Do you want to film some duel at high?
You stupid guy. Well, I'm taking a letter, so I'm on S.
Nice!
00. 00. What's that?
Right, I'm going to set a bar whip bar.
That's it, I'm out. I haven't done that since building 3 edit on the old Muzzle Crew channel in like 2013, so I'm out. Good game. Reese sucks.
I'll do a bar to double whip.
So now Chris is out, Stephen's going to go in hard. So as you probably all know, I'm going to take the letter because I can't bar twist. So Michael, right, it's my set, and I know Stephen don't like oppo tricks, so I'm going to set a triple heel. Good game.
GG.
Cheers for watching, guys. Reese won, so go check out his channel. It's in the description below, as well as all of our Instagrams. Max's Instagram for filming the outro will be in the description, so will Connor's for filming the intro. Yeah, see you in the next one.